Hello everyone, welcome back. The Sony's next Xperia 1 flagship phone renders has leaked and it looks gorgeous and elegant. Like the current top Xperia model, the Xperia 1 Mark III shown in this leaked renders show a long, narrow device with sleek, flat edges and skinny bezels. As usual, these high-quality renders come from Steve Hemmerstoffer, who is a well-renowned leaker with an extensive and reliable track record. He also says while it looks very similar, it's not identical to its predecessor. The Xperia 1 Mark III is said to be a little smaller but little thicker than the Xperia 1 Mark II. It has the iconic ultra-wide cinematic 21:9 ratio OLED 6.5-inch 4K panel on the front with incredibly slim bezels, making it virtually edge-to-edge with a tiny top and bottom bezel. He also claimed that the next Sony flagship will feature a triple lens camera system on the back as well as a 3D time-of-flight depth sensor. One of those three cameras is a telephoto or periscope zoom lens similar to Oppo Find X2 Pro or Galaxy S21 Ultra. Other details include support for 5G, a 3.5mm headphone port and microSD card slot for expansion. It retains the stereo front-firing speakers from its predecessor as well as the physical fingerprint sensor built into the power button on the side. There's also a new dedicated shortcut button similar to the one found in Xperia Pro, which can be customized to launch a specific function. Sony usually reveals its new Xperia flagships in February around the time MWC happens in Barcelona. If these leaks are true, one thing we know for sure that it will be gorgeous. Now we have another piece of news. The Moto G9 range wasn't that long ago, but the next generation of the G range could be landing soon. Our source claims that the Moto G10 is upcoming, but that's not all. It will apparently be joined by Moto G30 and Moto G100. That claim comes from leaker Sudhamshu1414 on Twitter, and it would be a new naming scheme for Motorola, but no specs were shared, so it's unclear how this trio will stack up. From the name, it sounds like the Moto G100 could be a big upgrade on the Moto G10, but it might equally end up being essentially a Motorola G10 Plus. Motorola had previously said that it plans to use a Snapdragon 800 series chipset in some future Moto G phones. Those are high-end chipsets, so a phone with a name like the Moto G100 would be a clear candidate for it. We have also previously seen the Moto G Neo leaked, which could be an alternate name for one of these phones. It is said to have a high-end Snapdragon 865 chipset along with 8GB of RAM, a 5000 mAh battery and a screen with a 105Hz refresh rate. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.